shrimp fry. So I'm going to show you guys how to make shrimp fry in a few simple steps. So now I'm going to show you guys how to prepare the shrimp. So I'm going to get a few pieces and I'm going to show you how to prepare. So first, how to prepare it is, you see the part up over here. So cut just a slit through it. And in the middle of it, you should get this something like this. It should be like black. Just pull it out. So after pulling this out, we want to cut a little bit of slits at the bottom part. So just cut 4 slits and make sure not to cut it through, just cut slits. And then it should just stand up like this. So I'm going to show you guys to do it on the other one. So again, cut a deep slit through the top, and then there should be something in the middle, and pull that out. After pulling it out, or on the bottom part, just cut slits and don't cut it through. And it should stand like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to the rest and see you guys when I'm done. So I just finished cleaning the shrimps and this is how it should look. So now let's get it ready for the flour. So here I have 254 grams of shrimp, and here I have half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 large eggs. So before we get started, let's whisk our eggs together. So just go ahead and whisk your eggs. So first, in with the flour, I'm going to be adding in my pepper, my paprika pepper, and my salt. And after adding all that, we're just going to nicely combine them together. So just nicely combine everything together. After mixing everything in the flour, this is how it should look. So here I have my eggs, my flour, my eggs, and my breadcrumbs. And I'm going to first coat them. So first I'm going to take my shrimp and just coat it in the flour. After coating it in the flour, we're going to wash it in the eggs. And make sure it gets coated well with the eggs. After the eggs, we're going to bring it to the breadcrumbs. And here we're just going to coat it in breadcrumbs. This is how it should look when it's done. So I'm going to do it with the rest. So first the flour, then the eggs, and last the breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this to the rest. So I'm almost done, just a few more to go. And this recipe is very easy and delicious. Just try it at home and you'll love it. So I'm just gonna finish the rest. After coating it in the breadcrumbs, this is how it should look. So now we're gonna go over to the oil and fry it. So now to see if the oil's ready, I'm gonna put a little piece of the breadcrumb. And if it bubbles to the top, that means it's ready. And because it's bubbling, it means it's ready. So I'm gonna add the shrimp in. And be careful because it's hot oil. And don't put too much at a time. And now nicely just let them sit in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when it's golden brown, make sure to take it out. So as you can see, this is golden brown, so I'm going to start taking it out. So it's a very nice golden brown color. This is how it should look. So this is the second batch of the shrimp. So now I'm going to let this be golden brown and then take it out when it's done. The shrimp just finished, so I'm going to be trying it now. So it looks very delicious, so let's try it. And I'm just going to dip it in the sauce. So it's very good. You guys should try this recipe at home. It's very tasty and delicious and easy. So make sure to try this at home with your family and friends. That's it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video. Bye!